Cops launch search for a wanted man in St. Andrew South. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew South Police have named 29-year-old Sandra Morgan of East Road, Kingston as wanted in relation to the death of 32-year-old Joseph Ricketts of Chisholm Avenue, Kingston 13 on October the 6th, 2021. Morgan is being urged to turn himself into the Hunts Bay Police by 12 midday on Friday, October the 13th. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Sandra Morgan is being urged to call the Hunts Bay Police at 876-923-7111, Crime Stop at 311, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811 or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.